In this lecture, you are going to learn how to add a title, a subtitle, and a small logo to your PowerPoint slide. In the previous slide, we have already added a title and a line. But to show you exactly, I am going to open a new slide and add all these three elements to a slide afresh. So let me open a new slide. Here we have already got the title and the body part, but let me delete both of them. Now I'm going to add a fresh title to our slide. So let me go to Insert and then Text Box. You can either make a rectangle or just click to insert a text box. Now I'm going to type the headline or the title of the slide. Let me switch on Caps Lock. I have typed Awesome Headline as my slide title. You can type your own title. And now let me add some fine tuning to this title. First, I'm going to make it center aligned. And then I'm going to increase the font size to around 54. Now let me increase the character spacing to very loose, and I wish to make this title in a single line, so I'm going to increase the width of this text box and place it here. Like we added a line in the previous slide, I wish to add a line here too, so let me go to Insert, Shapes, and take a line and draw one here. Now let me change the color of this line to this blue color. Since this is a line, there is no area inside this line. That's why the shape fill is disabled. Only the shape outline is enabled for lines. Now I'm going to add a simple subtitle. So let me go to Insert, Text Box, and make a click here. I have typed my subtitle. Let me place it at the center. Now let me change the font to Calibri Light and change the color of a single word or some emphasized word to my own custom color like this blue. So now I think this looks good, but let me increase the width of this line by going to Format Shape and increase the width to 2 points. Now we are going to add a simple logo. Let me show you how I can design that. Go to Insert, Shapes, and let me take a triangle. That is isosceles triangle. Now I'm going to make the shape fill as no fill. I just want the outline alone. Now I'm going to change the color of this outline too to a light color like this. Now I'm going to take another copy of this triangle. So select it, press Ctrl C and then Ctrl V. Now I'm going to resize this second triangle a bit bigger. And position it like this. Now select both of them, resize it, and place them like this. Let me position them here a bit closer to our title. So we have designed a title, the subtitle, and a pretty simple logo to our PowerPoint slide. In the next lecture, you will learn how to add a 3D depth to a shape.